We can't hear you.
Oh, my name's Wasim. How is jewelry made in the 21st century? The jeweler buys the jewelry design from the designer and then goes ahead and makes that design into a wax model using a 3D printer, and then takes that wax model and turns it into a jewelry item at his shop or at his online store. This concept was introduced to me by Rebecca, who's our designer on the team.
Hi, my name is Rebecca. As you have met, our business person, and this is Fida, our web developer. I'm actually a professional jewelry designer working with 3D designs. And in my 8 years, experience in this field, I found that there's a big lack of 3D jewelry files on the market. I even tried once to find the jewelry files online, but the resources were very few and the quality was bad. Even though our research shows that the US jewelry retail market is $30 billion, has $30 billion revenue with an increase of 2.9% in 2011. So basically, this is how it works. Our website is divided into three main parts. The first is a 3D jewelry files. It is dedicated to the jewelers. These jewelers submit, enter the file and browse a collection of 3D jewelry files, and they buy the 3Ds that they like. The second part is dedicated to the designers who can submit their designs, their stock designs designed before, to our site, be verified and sell on our marketplace that we are creating. The third part is dedicated to every creative person with an idea for a jewelry item. You can sketch it out with the details, send it to our site. We will send a quotation, and if you agree with it, we can create your designs in real life. Basically, Fida now will show us the actual website.
Okay, so the actual website is this. Okay, the resolution is a little bad. Basically, a client will go in and they can log into the jewelry files. Once they log into the jewelry files, they have the prices of our products, and they can browse actually for different products. Like, for example, they can go for rings or is it showing? Yeah. And they can go for pendants as well. They can also check the 3D custom, check in to create their own 3D custom designs. All they have to do is fill in this form. Practically anyone can fill in this form, not just a jeweler. Once they do and they fill in this form, we will send them a quotation telling them how much it will cost to produce that design. And if they agree, they pay 50% for us. We produce the design, we send it to them, and we get paid the rest of the money. Okay, when you're done with that, we have the 3D designers part. This is where the designers create their profiles, and actually this is where most of the money will come from. They can create their profiles, put their work in here, and once we have their work on our site and it's verified, we can sell it to anyone who's willing to buy. Basically, this is the gist of the website, and that's about it.
Actually, it's going to improve the design, it's going to make it more user-friendly, but in the 24 and 48 hours, you doesn't have how much you can get.
Are you selling final products, or are you also selling designs?
Basically, the idea is that now we can create a design of the 3D. So what we are selling is to the retailers or to the people who have 3D printers, the file. Yeah, the digital.
I guess
And we can expand it into furthermore
Gotcha.
into printing.
As you said, you will produce.
Yeah, the custom design work, can be produced.
So you do both.
Our presentation is not done yet. Maybe you could give me a more better. Are we done?
There's the numbers.
Yeah, there's the numbers. But first, I have to make it clear, we may be part of the sales process as the seller or the buyer, but we're actually introducing a marketplace. We're actually taking commission and letting other people sell for us. So here are the numbers about this market, please. A marketplace is something like Amazon, if you can imagine what that is. So the jewelry in US, the retail jewelry market revenue, not the sales, is $30 billion in 2011, between August 2010 August 2011, with 2.9% growth. It's usually steady. Steady is real estate. Not yet. Please go back.
One presentation.
One presentation?
Unacceptable, sorry. You already had your chance, 5 minutes ago. So you can answer questions, but you can't present.
Okay, well, that I'm done.
Any other questions?
Yes, so what is your core business? The website is a channel, but what is the core business?
What we are doing is we are creating a marketplace for designers to submit their digital
You are
art.
designing also 3D files yourself. Behind
It's
the
an
website.
option to customize.
Using specialized software, and you
Exactly.
have designers that are working there.
Exactly.
They are making sure that whatever is submitted is not garbage because we have
Exactly. I am a designer. I am a 3D designer, and I have 8 years of experience. So I have the background. I have people that work that I taught that are designers too. So we have all the background
a
check.
whole team of these people.
Exactly. We will create a fully functional team to check this and to create.
And create a new one.
Exactly.
That's a core
Plus,
business.
we have the basic option is that you are designing, you are asking the designer, the 3D jewelers designer out there to come and submit. We can bid to them, and there's the option to bid the custom design to them, and you can make it, you can create like an easier way or a cheaper way for the custom designer to the customer to create his designs.
Last question, maybe?
Yeah, I'm just trying to visualize the whole model, where you have designers who actually do a lot of work by designing jewelry, and this would be a tool for them
So,
to sell it, to make it, to make it visible to potential buyers, etc. And then on the other side, you have consumers who, let's say, I want to buy a ring for my wife, and I could go browse these designs and order the ring, get it shipped to my place.
exactly, and that.
And is there a part that I'm missing, or are these the two main ones?
These are the two menus. You can get the CAT file too. So if you are a jeweler and you have all the tools you have all the tools.
You can buy the file and in 3D.
Yes, and
In 3D.
customize it or use it as it is and in 3D and produce it yourself.
And there's no website that does that?
There is a website, but their problem is that their interface is not very clear
Okay.
and they're not very professional. I did search for them and their designs are not very practical.
How many designs do you have?
Not much. I could estimate it about 200 to 300 designs.
So there's
Design-
only one competitor, more or less?
Yes, only one competitor. That's the incentive that made me think, why not? Because it's a growing market. It's very low cost. It's lower cost for the jeweler to create. So eventually he will go into this business of digital jewelry. Plus now the gold prices are very high. So if you invest into actual gold stock, it's big risk. So invest in the digital stock, and when you get this and you get the sale, you can do it and create it and sell it. It's more simple.
What do you have in your hand?
Actually, I was about to start this subject and show you this. It's actually it's actually the prototype and the final. It's the same.
Actually, we saw the 3D printer in Geneva, in the ITU conference.
There's several printers that are competing in this market because it's a big market and it's a very valuable jewelry that we pay anything.
Thank you.